Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of how I can turn these 14 pieces that make a wood fire pit that looks like this. So full disclosure, as we get into this company reached out to me and said, hey Ryan, can you give us one of your detailed overviews and more importantly, a review of our wood fire pit? Who am I to say no? So I want to fully disclose that in no way whatsoever, because this was provided to me, it will positively nor negatively affect my review. Let's get to building and let me show you all the things possible about this. You absolutely no questions if this is for you. All right, and there it is assembled. I'd say it took me about 45 minutes, give or take, because I didn't read the instructions good enough. About 45 minutes to put it all together. And it even comes with a cover. So when you leave this outside, after it is cooled off, you can keep it all nice and protected from the elements when you're not using it, obviously, after it's cooled off. Now let me give you a close-up before we show some other shots here. All right, so close-up, you can see kind of the design of this. It has sort of this faux brick look to it. It seems to be all aluminum. Kind of see how it's constructed there. Basically, there's just pins that are screws, no nuts or anything that are required, but they go, there's ones here, here at the bottom, and it's kind of all kind of bolts together, and the instructions are extremely easy. It comes with, I guess this is like a fire poker to do your coals or wood. I think the instructions say coals. Comes with the this cover, that's to prevent, I believe, excess sparks. It does come with a grate that's removable as well. There's holes down there for air and just for, I guess, a little bit of clean out. And this particular one is about 34 inches wide, and the height of it right there is about 14 inches. Total height, you're looking at about, including the very top, is about 19, 20 inches. And so it's definitely a light fire pit. So if it's something you wanted to pick up, you know, there's nothing in it. Pretty easy to move around. I see a lot of times, especially during the holidays, like Halloween, people take these out front and put them in the driveway for trick-or-treaters so they can kind of stay warm while kids are trick-or-treating. It is not heavy. You have this, you can put some weight on here. I would say, you know, if you wanted to put maybe drinks or something around here, obviously it's going to get pretty hot. But I like all the features that come with it. You have a little handle here so you can pick this up, nice and convenient. And the this piece that sits here that holds everything, this lifts out. So this lifts out, as you can see here, that lifts out. So if you want to clean it, you the whole thing, doesn't have to come apart to do that. All right, so that's what it looks like, all lit up. And yes, we put a whole bunch of wood in there, but you can see it's looking pretty good. It's a good looking fire pit. I'm not having that on there right now. Once the fire goes down, I'll put that on top. But yeah, so if you're looking for a fire pit that's light, easy put together, you can move around. You can see this is in a different spot outside. This just might be the fire pit for you. Hopefully this helps.